So this is like pre-fluffy mail, right? This is fabric mail. Yay! It's like the highlight of my week. Right, and this has been packaged in such a way that I can't even get in it. This is the second layer, and she's even taped it. Oh, dearie me. I'm going to fight my way in. You should have seen the first layer. It was just made of entirely tape. It's so exciting. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to show you the PG fabric first and the less PG fabric later. And more Batman. And more Batman, but I'm going to be dyeing this one, so you have to keep a watch out for the gorgeous colours. I'm going to be making that one in. And just a warning, this is the less PG fabric, which I've been very excited about. Look how awesome and rude it is.